Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Sangut ki MLA jong ke seng Congress hapo ka jingalam jong ke Working President ke Dr. Maisel Amperin Lingdo. Haga kanyo tari ko bernai no pra arzar arpuway kila lej ban yekendu yo menteri ramba jong ke jilla Konrad Kongkel Sangma ban pensngau haga bayadai bat ke jing bemyo shiti halor ke jingkot jingalang jong ke sorkar jilla yaki seng san perthai ki seng bhalang bat kiwei ki kinhon panya theria tai haga bayadai bat ke jingya keren penbet yo upor usam jong ke jilla Meghalaya bat ke jilla Assam. Nalor kani kini ki MLA jong ka seng Congress kila pensngoro hakmat menteri rangba ki rai ki baka Congress Legislature Party kala shim ban kershanya ka sarkar jilla hak baye day bat ka jing bot din ka jing dawa in a line permit ka jing dawa ban penrung ka kten khasi bat garo hak kharnit ka ba phra jong kriti sanchar kari India bat ki wai di ki mat ki ba kongsan jong ki pat ba nong song shnong ka jilla Meghalaya.
Kapaning kong kalong ba ngi kum ka CLP hi ni layray bakaladi ka pori ka seng Congress bakan pendon kam ya kata ka jingdon jong ka ha assembly ha karukom ka babit ka babyang ban ailat lem ya kita ki issues ya kita ki jing jong ki patba ki baki syamman la kasni ha ka jing ka jong ki kapaning kong ban shu ai nuk sa ya pi Ngikloi bantri lang bagan ng sarkar bangin ya kren ya kini ki schemes ki badai ki ban pet ban kmi ya upat ba. Ngiyo iba ka Chief Minister's Special Assistance Scheme kata ka scheme jong menteri rangba badai ban ai ya ki nong song snong. Ngiyo iba ka don kandid kata ka jing bam smong thu hakaba ki pet ba ki bajuyo ya kata ka scheme na menteri rangba kum kito ki bala sha ilok kum ki long kme ki long pa ki bala temen kum ki khlung ki badon ki khna la ni ki nong song snong ki badon ki anna ka jing anna ha ki khot met bope ni kwa ban review no kum ya kata ka scheme ni kwa ru ban review ya kata ka scheme shna yeng na ka banta ki badong mar ngi layu i ba ki babon ki ta ki kendon ki ba ki nong song snong hi ki hap ban pikir bat pen kre Shwa bakin long ni kita ki beneficiaries rupan yo igini ki yem. Ni don kam rupan sedang ban perkat ban ya kren rukat no pak sarkar ban ya pet lem ban kmi lem ya kane ka jing duk ka jing bam don yeng don sem jong ki priyo ki bachong hang ni hapo sor shalong. Ni yu iba hakipor ki baladep ni lala ban shnai ki ki yeng baduk shati shalong matsong. Ring yu iba kilas dang ban julor kilas dang ban pra kilas dang ban pay kilas don kam ya ka jing ai rong tila da mangi ka seng Congress ngia tray ringkat pa sarkar ban tray na kabanta ka jing bha jong pat ba hi kanum don kano ka jing phep kanum don kano ka jing subasnil na marngis ngau ba kalade ka poringi menta bangin sedang ban tray ban pentay kam day tang ban tray ban persya tingi larai ba hakikat tu kat ni ki issues kum ka ILP ka CEA kaktian kasi ban kentup haka age schedule kaktian garo ngilayu i kita ki brokat tingi ngisngau balada kani ka sarkar ka don kasngau bit ingi mangin wan syakman mangin yaram bantay lembaki komiti ki boper ban pet ya ka jingte songno ya kani ka jingdo jong ka sarkar ban pet kmat ban pai kmat igini ki kam ngatarai ka jing bha sudah na kam tau ba Nilai keren ru kendet bat menteri rangba halor ka kam kabaya day bat ka jingbam sya hot ka seng Congress sya kata ka meeting kaput maka sarkar kala khot nen ka sgi ka katsan tarik ngila sutho menta nakaliang du Chief Minister baka don kendet kata ka jing bakla jong ka jing penpoi ka shiti tang namar bangi day ha ka opposition kamut bangin khangno ya ka jing kam ya keren ya khana ya ka kam habang ia keren ya ke kampot kamsam ke beningkong kedai kejing mentoy yang ikum kecela tinggi menung kang ya kata kedenti ban ya keren ya kana ya kene ke kam bat menteri rangba jong kejela jong ni nolong ubekloy ban ong ba un sakhat biang yang ni syakata kejing yalang But ngila snow don box shisha ba arngut ki MLA na ka CLP kila day lupa ki member jong gitu ki regional committees but kini ki arngut ki MLA jong ni kila juya tho ingi na kapor sa kapor ya kata ka jing ya jing long jing man jong kita ki jing ya kendu juki ha kita ki committee wat la ka an kam sha ya ki bakin ya khana pat ba ya kita ki jing shem ki jing lap ki jing tho ki jing tar ki jing kren juki ha kita ki jing ya lam tikani kede kita ke seng kongres ke bertemai ke seng ke berkloy banya trailang nak ke betul ke jingpau pa Henry kamut pan baka seng kongres kan syuko ngolut ya kino kilat ki baka sarkar let si kam yo i tinggi la ongru ya i menteri rang ba jongi ba lada don kum kita ki jerwit ki jerwan ki jingbom itenan ki jingbom sngu ya ham nginum lek ta kalenti ka ban lam ya kata ka confusion lan ni kata ka jing pen plumar jingmut ya umpat ba ngin lek ta kerukom ka babit ka babia ngin ya kren lemba ki kita ki channels ki jongi ki ban ayengi ya kata ka jing long try jing sngu try ban ya kren ban ya khana bat ka sarkar jilla jongi. We are not saying that it is an outside support, but we are saying that this is a support which is going to be based on issues which are of general public interest and benefit. We will see how this offer that we are giving the MDA government works out. We will see how it pans out. We will see whether various committees will now be shortly formed, including the Congress. But our identity in that opposition is already very blurred and confused as of today. We still do not understand whether there will be a need for us again to relook at so many positions, even in the opposition as it is today. Because when an opposition breaks, and when the Honourable Speaker likely, we have not received official communication, likely not given his ruling on whether or not he recognizes the breakaway group, then automatically you will see these vacancies that will tend to be there in the floor of the House. Like I said, it is but becoming of us to discuss this matter also with the Honourable CM, get his mind on what should be the approach that we take so that confusion doesn't prevail. Right now, a lot of confusion is prevailing in the state of Meghalaya as far as its politics is concerned. We will rise above that and we will take head-on an opportunity to work and partner with the government on important agendas that we've placed before the purview of the Honourable Chief Minister. We remain as an independent lobby in the opposition. We now have our own mind. We have our own agenda, we have our own focus. We are not going to be indulging in unhealthy politics with any part or any member or any lobby in the assembly. We have our own mind and nobody can claim that they have power over us. But that does not mean that we should not also look at an opportunity of a new phase of the Congress that will be able to rally on behalf of the public. We do not want to preempt or to provide a narrative which is untrue and irrelevant to politics. We are very clear. Our system needs to regroup itself. We need to regroup. We need to build bridges and bring down all these walls that have made Congress look like it is the government's worst enemy. Very simple. That is the politics that is going to be simple. That is a politics which is going to be constructive. And I do not think that it would not be acceptable to our supporters. This drama of the breakaway group has to come to a sudden dead at some point of time. Don't keep fueling it. It doesn't make sense to fuel something which is destructive in its own self. The nature of the move away in itself was very destructive. We feel very defeated. We feel, let me tell you very clearly, we feel very betrayed. If there was this necessity to dialogue with Congress from the very beginning. There are other methods of doing it. The TMC and the Congress were supposed to be a united opposition to fight an onslaught that is attacking secularism, that is attacking individuality, that is attacking local identities. But today we see that the sudden ambition is blinding them. Instead of unanimously fighting a common enemy, they have made enemies amongst ourselves. So we are saying that we are no longer anybody's enemy. We are no longer anybody's slave. But we are someone who have a mind. We are someone who can look forward. And for things that are going to be productive for the public in general, we shall not hesitate to be partnering with